Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening any Microsoft Office application, like Word or Excel. Once the app is up, click File at the top left. This gets you into the Backstage view where version details live. If you prefer faster access, click the Account or Office Account option directly. Make sure you're signed in with the account linked to your Office license because some installs show different info for work versus personal accounts. Once done, you'll be ready to view detailed product information on the next screen. Once you're in Account, look at Product Information on the right. It lists the product name and subscription type, so you know if it's Microsoft 365 or Office 2021. Next, click About or About App Name to open a dialog showing the exact version and build numbers, plus whether the install is 32-bit or 64-bit. Pay attention to the Update channel, Monthly, Current channel, or Semi-annual, which explains how often features and fixes arrive. This helps you understand whether updates are automatic or controlled by IT. To finish, click Update Options and choose Update Now to ensure you're on the latest build. Doing this confirms the version you saw is current. If the About dialog or account area isn't visible, run a quick Office repair from Control Panel or Settings. This restores missing UI elements and files. If organizational policies block version info or updates, contact your IT admin and explain what you need shown and why. One tip: take a screenshot of version/build before updates in case you need to report a problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.